Siyawulandzela sibukeleni wenyama khona esigodlweni ekudleni emgangweni. Hlehla mbali yonke imbali iyahlehla ngengoma. Tubeke awusho nasekufanele tubeke sihloniphe ungena kwemvume yomhlaba.
In such high numbers. However, let me not waste any more time. Let us get into the event whereby Imbali is going to start by dancing past their majesties before or forming their formation, and then they start dancing to slow songs called Ummiso, where they dance in unison. His Majesty the King and his guests are then going to go around the formation to show appreciation to Imbali before they start dancing in their solo dances and their rehearsed groups. Let's enjoy.